At GEODIS, we handle co-packing activities for over 50 customers at 40 locations worldwide, supported by more than 600 dedicated associates. Our extensive experience allows us to create tailor-made solutions that meet each client's unique co-packing needs. We pride ourselves on our ability to implement and manage successful co-packing operations, offering the flexibility our clients require. Our approach involves meticulously analyzing and designing co-packing lines to avoid the bottlenecks and ensure seamless implementation, resulting in highly efficient operations. Automation plays a crucial role in our process, as it increases throughput, optimizes resources, and reduces costs. We continuously research and integrate market's leading technologies to deliver these efficiencies for our clients. Sustainability is a core principle at GEODIS. In our co-packing activities, we strive to reduce waste, to utilize recyclable materials, and deploy technologies with optimal energy consumption to minimize our environmental impact.